Welcome to Ni Hao Nature, Yosemite edition. You see, you can hear the wind speak to you, but you have to get pretty high. And sometimes people can chicken out, and they'd be too afraid to go this high. But as long as you keep your balance, there's nothing to protect you. My rock! Oh crap! It's supposed to look like this is a lot higher than it was. And you see here, this is what they call moss. This is actually made out of the same stuff that they make fuzzy dice that you put on your car windshield. It helps block out the sun. You see, the moss doesn't like the sun because it always grows in the shade, because it's like, sun, back off, and it's like, I'm gonna stay away. Up in these mountainous areas, you might be lucky enough to catch some birds flying by. But they don't come to you unless you know how to call them. So watch and learn. Caw! 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 And if you look close enough here, there's a whole bunch of ant hills. See, these ant hills aren't like the ants that you know and I know. They're the ants up in the mountains. And you see, they live in the mountains, but they put dirt. So watch. If I put this little tiny rock, look, they cannot breathe. But we don't want to harm the ants. So we're gonna leave, I call this the Jesus tomb. You see, he's dead. Move the stone away, he's alive. The ants are, there's an ant on me, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, it wasn't even, they're not good. Cone! 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 Ice cream cone! You know, as they say up in Mexico, no mas, mas. No mas. Moss. That's determining where the moss does and does not grow. Let's keep going. And as you see here, there's rock. You're like, wow, how did the rock get here? And then I'm saying, well, it's been here the whole time. Did you know that underneath the Earth's surface, there's rock? And did you know when it's really windy, like up in the mountain area, it just blows off all the topsoil and you're left with just the rock. Well, I bet you didn't know that one now, did you? They call this butte the lone tree. It is the only tree for miles. That's what they say. This is what you call a sequoia. These are the tallest trees in the entire world. I didn't see that one. I take it back. This is a sequoia tree. Apparently. You see, what's crazy about this tree, it grew in such a way, it's almost like it knew that one day people were going to walk through it. So it grew the secret passageway straight through the middle of the tree. See, a lot of people believe that when trees die, they fall over, but these trees were actually grown sideways. That is why they're not going straight up. They aren't dead, just merely sideways. Holy Obi-Wan Kenobi, is that a tree or what? Apparently Smokey didn't get to this one in time. Don't you hate it when nature is misused?
That was a bear marking circle, right?
Pretty tall bear if a bear did that.
Oh, no, it's fine.
Are you gonna do something or?
Oh, no. I'm at Mirror Lake in Yosemite, and they call it Mirror Lake because when people are done with their mirrors, they put their mirrors in this lake. This duck is the only duck that has ever been in this lake. I know that because you can just tell with its feathers that it's the only duck. And you just gotta be careful. When the wind gust comes, you tuck so you don't get any. Fit in your mouth! Wow! It hurts! Did you know elephant seals can consume up to over 3 pounds per day? Yes, 3 pounds of food. Also, some scientists who believe in evolution, which I don't, believe that the elephant seal is the chain between the seal and the elephant. Go seal, elephant, elephant. I would like to be very specific here. This is not the Atlantic Ocean. It's the Pacific Ocean. It's funny, it's funny. So wowza, my guy.